Hey guys, when I'm pushing in my clutch trying to get it in first or any other gears, it seems like it's almost starting to grind. There is a small adjustment on the left side of the truck. There's a cotter pin, if you can see it, right there. I'm going to pull that cotter pin out, I'm going to pull this pin out, and you can actually adjust your clutch right there by turning it up a little bit. Got the old pin out, and as you can see, I'm going to pop this out and adjust it with the threads right below it. So I was able to turn it about one turn. Now I sprayed some 3-in-1 penetrating oil threads. I doubt this has been turned for quite some time. It's just a matter of putting a screwdriver in here and turning it clockwise. Now it is very hard. The threads are fairly dirty and a little bit of rust. So all I'm going to do is turn it about 2 turns and then I'll hook it all back to the track. So one thing I had to do in order to be able to insert the pin is I had to put a little bit of pressure on the bottom of the adjusting bolt to raise it up there because there's tension on this. And it's too hard to push it up by hand trying to put the pin in at the same time. So I jacked it up, and next thing to do is put a cotter pin in. So I adjusted the little clutch adjustment there, and I've probably put a couple kilometers on this going between driveways, and so far it's worked good. I believe my clutch is starting to get fairly warm, but that certainly helped again moving it up. I actually went up 4 threads, not 2. And it certainly made a little bit of a difference, not as much as I was hoping. So down the road, that's probably what I'm going to end up doing, is putting a new clutch in. It's quite a bit of work. You actually have to split the tractor in half. It's something I don't want to do this winter, maybe next spring.